Could dress up to get love.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is my first video. I know it's my first video, so it might not be perfect. But today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make a thumbnail. So let's get on to the video. So first, you need the app Fonto, right? Get out of this. So then you're gonna click anywhere and click plain image. Then you see where it says that lock thing. Don't click anything where it says the lock. And then where you see the gradients, you're gonna click one of the gradients, don't matter. Then you're gonna go to the top and you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna click this one. I like doing this one for my videos. I don't know why, but yeah. And here you're gonna do whatever color you want. Okay, so I'm gonna do that white and green and then red. No, I'm gonna do yellow. Okay. Ew, I look like that. But anyway, let's use this. Okay, so after you have that, you're gonna click anywhere. It's gonna say add text. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna type in what you wanna do. So I'm gonna do how to make a. And I have a little fonts. They have like regular fonts here. I downloaded these fonts. So I'm gonna use the bold for it. You're gonna do it at the side. Then you're gonna do this and you're gonna make like a gradient or something. I don't know. I'm gonna just do that and black. And then the stroke is gonna be black. You're gonna go to style, click iPhone all the way up. Then you're gonna do another one, click anywhere, and click the font you want. I'm gonna do this one. And you're gonna type in what you want now. Thumbnail. Alright. It's not gonna look perfect, but we're gonna do with it. Okay. So then you're gonna go to the colors that you used. Then you're gonna click stroke and black. And then here you can add a photo, whatever photo you wanna do. I'm gonna just click add image. And I'm covering everything you see so y'all don't be creeping up on my thing. So where it says here, I did the shape on another one, but I'm not gonna do it. So you're gonna get your photo, move this over, get your photo and make it the size you want. Make it like this, and then you're going to tilt or whatever. And yeah, that's how you make a thumbnail. So that's the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.